welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine. So let me just first say, if you're interested in this hair or seeing me do this makeup, this is my birthday look because today is my birthday, but you won't see this video until afterwards. This should be going up on Thursday, but today is Tuesday, March 2nd. So you should have, I'm putting up 2 videos today and then this video, which is an Amazon haul, just random things that I buy on Amazon. So that way I can share those with you. I'll leave all the links below. But the other previous videos of me doing my hair and my makeup, you'll be able to check out because they're already up on my channel. So before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And that way you don't miss any videos that I already have up, so that way you can watch them because they're all in playlists. Knocking things over. So they're all in playlists. And then also leave a comment down below of any Amazon recommendations because I'm definitely on there. I don't even know where to begin. So one of the first items that I have here, this is kind of heavy, is this hanger set. And I ordered 2 packs of these. So these are, they're like soft baby pink velvet hangers. Right now the hangers that I'm using are hangers that I have from Walmart. They're just like the white plastic hangers, but I want to change them all out because my beauty room is like pink and white. There's some silver in here and like some black accents and gold accents, but for the most part I'm sticking with like pink and white. So I bought these hangers off of Amazon. I will link it down below, and then in the top corner of the screen I'll go ahead and put the price because I don't know the prices off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure I think I got these for around $25, and it is a pack of 50. So they look like this. They're soft pink and they're velvet, and I think that you can even get some that have like the rose gold, but I just wanted the silver. The next item I got is this. They're LED puck lights. So with the IKEA system that I have, they did have where you can buy like lights to kind of go in there, but the lighting system that they had was expensive. So I'm trying to do my own version and just put these puck lights so that way it's a cheaper alternative and it'll still accomplish what I'm trying to accomplish. So here's the puck lights. They do come with 2 remotes. It's a 6-pack. I bought 2 of these. I think I'm going to need a 3rd set. I don't have batteries in it yet, but this is the puck light. This is the remote. I got, it looks like it has like, this might be the color changing one. I just wanted it for the white. I don't want it for color changing. So this is a little remote that it comes with. It does come with 2 remotes in case you lose one, but they also said in the description that if you got these and you got more than 1 pack, you can make them work off of 1 remote. So at this point, because I have 2 boxes, I'll have 4 remotes, and then when I get the 3rd box, I'll have 6 remotes. So you'll never lose any of them because you can't. Well, you can if you're careless, but you'll have backups and replacements. And again, this is random things that I'm buying off of Amazon. So there's like no rhyme or reason. I just go on there and purchase like random stuff that I think of. Or sometimes I look in like the recommendations on the home screen based on things that you're looking at. It'll kind of give you ideas of what you should buy. So I'm all over that. I bought this glass food storage because I was using the plastic containers. The thing with the plastic container food storage is that they kind of like, the food kind of gets burnt in them and they kind of get a little bit deformed and warped. And also this is much more convenient because it's glass. I can store the food in here, and if I want to put straight into the microwave or straight into the oven, these are microwave and oven safe, so I can still use them. That's going to cut some dishes out of my life, so less dishes for me to wash. So this is a 24-piece set, and keep in mind, because I always have to remember for myself that when it says 24-piece set, that includes a lid. So really it's a 12-piece set with the lids included, because I always think I'm gonna have 24 dishes, but it's really not. It's 12 dishes with 12 lids. Boom! Some of you probably knew that, but if you're like me, you don't be thinking about those things when you see 24 pieces. I'm saving that big daddy for last, okay? So the next thing I gotta make sure I don't show my address, okay, is these pant hangers. So I hang my jeans up, but I didn't want to hang them on I can't hang them on those velvet, well, I could hang them on the velvet hangers. I just don't want to because it'll hang too low. So, and you'll see why I don't want it to hang too low later when I show that video. But these are the pant hangers, and I got them in rose gold to kind of keep with like the pinkish theme, because it was either this gold, rose gold, regular gold, or silver. I could have got silver, but I think that this pop of rose gold color will be cute. So I got these. Again, the prices will be in the corner of the screen, but I'll also link everything down in the description below if I remember. The next item of randomness is this under dash LED light to make driving fun and exciting. Driving should not be fun and exciting because it's dangerous. Okay? But I got this. And I wonder, it says I can do purple lights. I'm going to try to do as close to pink as I can get, but I'm going to put these in my car after I wash it, clean it, take it. I got to go get my tags. I got to get a smog check. Then I'm going to clean it outside, inside, and then I'll put these in so that way she feels good. Okay, the next item I have, and this is really like, see, like this stuff is all random. There's like no theme to anything I have here. I bought this hoodie. I like hoodies, so I have a red one and a blue one. So I got this pink one. I want to get a black one and a white one and whatever else color that I can get, like teal or something. But I saw this one and I bought this. They're in the men's, it's a men's size, so I get size medium in men's because I want it to be a little, I don't want it to be fitted. I want it to be loose. And now we're getting into some shoes. So I did order some shoes off of Amazon. And the first set of shoes I got are these. So these aren't like Converse or anything like that. These are like knockoff, just, you know, shoes to be cute. So they look like this. They're probably like $15 or $16. I don't remember, $20. I'll put it up above. It says crop ladies. I'll also put the link down below, but super cute shoes. They're like great for summer, and these just give you like really happy, vibrant, glowy vibes because they're bright. This could be an eyeshadow look coming up when I want to wear these shoes with some jeans. Okay. And I'm a size 8 in case you're wondering. So I'm 5'4" and I wear a size 8 shoe. All right. And I got these. So I guess these are kind of like Converse knockoffs, but I got them in yellow. I think I got, so I had the last pair that you saw in that like pink and yellow. And then I got these bright yellows. So pretty. These are also in a size 8. Next, I got these denim ones. Super cute with the red inside. Also in a size 8. So I'm usually like a 7.5. But if I'm ordering online, I get an 8. If I'm there in the store, I'll try a 7.5. But I like to get 8 because I need room for my toes to be able to like slide around a little bit and move. A 7.5 would be like a perfect fit, and there wouldn't be room to wiggle my toes. I don't like that feeling. Now we're on to the last pair of shoes, but not the last item. I got them in orange. So pretty. Okay, so I think, what is this color, like prison jumpsuit orange? I don't know, but it's a nice bright orange color. I got some more Got To Be because I run out of this a lot. Actually used the last of it today. And then I got these little liner brushes. I think this is like a paintbrush. I'm planning to use this for like my eyeliner. So when I do like my eyeliner right here or something like that, or if I want to put a color over top there. Okay, I got this because it's very, very thin. And then I got another brush to lay my edges, my baby hairs. So this. So it comes with this little comb here, and then this brush. I got one of these. You always need these. These things get dirty really quick, and I think they're like $2. So for the last item that I bought that I called Big Daddy, you have to see why it's called Big Daddy, because this is like the big major item that I purchased that I've been waiting for and wanting to use, but I wasn't going to use until I showed it to y'all. The shark. Wait, is my address right here? Hold on. No. My address isn't on here. Looks like this was shipped from Shark Ninja to Amazon. Could have probably just bought it off of Shark. Okay, so it's a Shark Ion robot vacuum, and I got it. I'm pretty sure this is in the color white to match. Is it white or is it silver? It's heavy. Okay, yeah. Now I need to charge it. Let me take it out this bag so y'all can see. Okay, so this is her right here. Just switch on before charging. Okay, I'll focus on that later. But this is the new vacuum that I have to kind of clean the floors around the house. Well, upstairs in here. I don't know yet where I'm going to be telling it to go. It'll figure out where it's supposed to go, but I think it's just going to be in this area here so I can keep this room clean or this floor clean, because it's important to keep in here clean, because this is where I get ready. That was the last item, and that was one of those, if you've been on Amazon, they have like those deals, the daily deals. That was one of the daily deals. I think I got it for like $150 as part of the daily deal. And the white one was cheaper than the silver one and the black one, so of course I got that one. All right, that's it for my Amazon haul. I will have all the links listed down in the description. The prices should have popped up on the screen as I was showing them to you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.